Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a question that I got a few times in the last couple of weeks concerning the difference between buying a PC that have a Snapdragon X Elite or X Series, processor and with Windows, and a standard AMD or Intel Core x64 machine. Is there a big difference, and where should I go, and what should I buy? And of course, one of the questions was relating to M3. Is it a thing on PC? It's not. It's a thing on the Mac computer, and that's it. The M series of processors is Apple, and uniquely Apple, to run on MacBooks and other devices that Apple can design. So this we can take out of the Windows equation. Although, yes, there'll be Windows running on M3s, or on M series, but that's another thing. So what concerns us mostly is Intel and AMD, which are x64. So if you see that the PC has an Intel processor, or it has an AMD Ryzen processor, one of the things that you got to know is that's the standard x64 architecture. That's what we've been running forever, basically, on PCs, including the DOS. It's newer generations of what started all long time ago. But you might go to the store and, you might see that now there are some Snapdragon X Elite and so on PCs, and that they will be calling actually Windows PC plus Copilot. And wonder, could that replace my main PC? Could that be okay? It all depends what you do, actually, because one of the things that happens is that although it's Windows, although it runs most software because it does an emulation of x64, which means your favorite software will probably run on it, it doesn't do 100% what Intel and AMD processors are capable of. So it's not exactly for everyone. I'd say probably that most people that do really standard things on Windows aren't really heavy users, do not game much, play games online, and that's it. Well, that will do the job. Yes, absolutely. And it apparently does it quite well. But it's when you want to get specialized hardware, if you want to buy, if you need something that has drivers that you have to install, that's where the snag, it's Snapdragon series. A lot of things don't work. Even in the games, for those that are gamers, apparently there's a lot of games that the anti-cheat system that they use apparently doesn't work well, and the games don't start. So that means what? That means that to be on the safe side, if you're a big user of PCs, I think the Intel versus AMD is your two choices, one or the other. Both are actually great today, so whatever you choose is probably fine. But if you're a heavy user, maybe the Snapdragon series of processors with Windows and Copilot are not for you. If you're not that heavy of a user, you're more of, you want a laptop, and you want a good laptop. If you do get a Snapdragon X Elite, you're probably going to be fine. But remember that it's not 100% same. And there could be snags, there could be little glitches that, oh, this thing doesn't work on my Snapdragon, and it would work on a standard PC. So, to be on the safe side, I would probably, as a PC user wanting something good, I would stay with either an Intel or an AMD processor, and that's it. Snapdragon X Elite, at some point, the ARM processors are going to be probably very good, and they're probably not going to be, we won't even think about it anymore. But it's still something to think about before you go into that, buying such an ARM processor-based PC, basically. So anything that is Windows PC plus Copilot, think about it, because maybe not everything will be working fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.